Hello students, how are you? I think you all will be fine. Today, as a part of your online study, I want to start chapter 9, Madam Rides the Bus. This madam, only 8-year-old, she is very intelligent and very curious to know the things happening around her, willing to know this situation which is generally arising here and there, and even various innovative to know something strange, or sometimes she used to stand at her doorway watching the people moving from one place to another. So this is a very interesting story of a 8-year-old girl and her curiosity, her mental setup, as she is very intelligent, she is such a small age, and she made her mind to visit town area alone. Before going to ride the bus, which generally used to stop in front of her house, and passengers, those always coming from the town and going to the town from this area, she collected lot of information, how much fare one can take for going to village to town and coming back from town to village. So these all things are very interesting here, and her name is Wali. That's in a short name. Her one can call her. So let us start this chapter. Which type of story this one is? This girl who is in such a small age, her way of walking, her way of talking, her way of understanding people, and she also tried to keep safe while going from village to town. So let us start this one. There was a girl named Balimai, or that Wali, short name. She was 8 years old and very curious about things. Curious here, willing to know, having interest how the things are happening, recent information regarding the recent topics, and very aggressive as well as curious to know the things happening here and there. Her favorite pastime was standing in the front doorway for her house, watching what was happening in the street outside. Maximum time she used to pass standing at her doorway because she don't have any friend to play or pass her time among them while playing or running, or as you know the generally children used to do. But her pastime was standing at the doorway of her house, watching the things happening here and there, and trying to understand or asking sometimes questions to get the query regarding some certain things. See that there were no playmates of her own age on her street, and this was about all she had to do. This was the reason she used to stand at her doorway. No friends were there. No, she was not knowing where to go and what to do to pass her time. So whole the time she used to stand at her doorway and watching the things happening outside. And generally one bus who used to go to town, and the passengers, those get in the bus as well as sometimes come out from the bus. And these were the things happening always, and she used to notice them very seriously. But for Wally, standing at the front doorway was very bit of enjoyment as any of the elaborate games other children played. Here now, standing, trying to know, trying to get information. It was not less than than those games generally children used to play. She loved standing there, watching the people, trying to get information, and she was very curious, eager to know what happening around her, as well as that in the village, as well as sometimes trying to know about the town by asking question from the passengers who used to come from town to village, and sometimes used to go from village to town. See that watching the street gave her many new unusual experience, and she got lot of experience while watching, observing things very keenly, and that her curiosity to know the things, it was one of the most important thing which she had. The most fascinating thing of all was the bus that traveled between the village and nearest town. A particular bus which used to come and used to go always from just in front of her house to town, and this was the one of the most interesting happening every day she had, and she used to watch people, and sometimes she loved to talk to them. So, traveled between her village and the nearest town. It passed through her street each hour, once going to the town and once coming back. Each hour, this bus generally passed from this area where she used to stand near at the doorway of her house, and usually came back after dropping the passengers, as well as carrying some passengers from town to village. Once going to town and coming back, the sight of the bus filled with each time with a new set of passengers was a source of unending joy. People which were going by bus, and those who returning back from the town to village, these incident activities was enjoyable things for her. She loved watching them. She even tried to understand and tried to get some information about this their traveling, and she this way she got lot of information also about town, and actually she made her mind to visit once to town, and this way she collected lot of information there. So see, passengers were source of unending joyful. Day after day she watched the bus, that gradually that tiny wish crept, a tiny wish, a small wish, willing to go to town, visit once by the same bus as people used to go to the town. Into her head and grew there. Her wish, which came in her mind once, gradually started growing and become one of his greatest will to visit town, to see town, and she started making preparation about her trip. She also got lot of information, and information like how many kilometer town is from the village, and how much fare one can need to go to town and return back from the town. This wish becomes stronger and stronger until was overwhelming desire, which is uncontrollable. Once this she decided finally to go to the village. This was unwavering desire, means that unending, which there is no end of this type of the desire. Bali would stare wistfully at the people who got on or off the bus when it stopped and at the street corner. Bali used to watch them. Those generally came from the town, and those just went from village to the town, and watching them seriously, trying to get the information also. And their faces would kindle in her longings, dream. Sometimes she loved this traveling, as knowing the information about their enjoyment, and their even sometimes talking about this trip to town. So see, people who got on and off the bus when it stopped at the street corner, their faces would kindle in their longing. Longing is loving to get something, dreams which she had, and the hopes which she wanted to fulfill. If one of her friend happened to ride the bus and tried to describe the sight of the town, and even the sights which generally one can see while going, scenery, forest areas, hill areas, and the things which generally fall on the way while going to village to town. So she had information about all happening because she got this all information from a friend who described these things and sides of this journey to town to her. Bali would be too joyous to listen and would shout in English. She was jealous enough, listening again and again this and this thing. They are very beautiful scenes, very beautiful traveling. This trip is really loving one, and this way, this situation created jealousy in her, and she sometimes shouted, proud, and making you are proud even. Neither she nor her friend really understood the meaning of the word. No one couldn't understand why she is shouting like that, why is speaking like that, what are the things that happening in her and compelling her to shout like that. But they used it often as slang expression of disapproval, and but she used to speak like that, disapprove these all the things, not telling that her desire, her overwhelming desire, which she wanted to fulfill. And finally she was very upset. She decided to go to the town to complete her journey, and this way she started her preparation. In next video again I will meet you. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you very much.